Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change command prompt font on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change command prompt font on Windows 11 computer, in search type CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes. In title bar of command prompt, just right click and click on properties. Here you will find a font tab. Just click on font tab and you can change the font size from here, and also you can change the font from here as you wish. I am going to change the font and now click on OK. Look, the font has been changed on command prompt in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.